What is up, my beautiful friends? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing pretty good.
I'm doing good. Trying to turn.
We're in the car, as you guys can see, and we are heading out to do something today. We're going to visit an animal sanctuary, which is like farm animals and stuff. So they're having an open house and we are going to go check it out. It's brand new and it's in our area, so we're really excited to go see it. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna go meet my mom and then we're gonna go over there and see some cute animals. I can't wait to meet them. There's not many, but there's some cute ones. So we got a little early, so we are at my mom's walking the dog.
Come on, Maggie.
What's up, guys? So I'm on my phone right now because I forgot to bring my camera, but I'm just filming a clip right now just to talk to you guys before I show you guys what we saw at the animal sanctuary, because I didn't really say anything. So we went to the animal sanctuary. It is a couple days after now, and it was so much fun. It was a great success. I think there was almost 600 people who went, which is a really good thing. You guys will see in the next clip a little overview of what happened at the sanctuary kind of thing. There was tons of people. It was really nice, cute little animals. There wasn't very many because it's a brand new sanctuary, but that's okay. They were really cute nonetheless. We really enjoyed it. We had a lot of fun. I will link all their social media and stuff like that down below. Yeah, so there's nothing too special that I want to say. The video was edited by David, so if you guys don't know who he is, that's my boyfriend. And he edited the whole video that you guys are going to see next. And enjoy. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. That's going to be the end of the vlog after this clip, and I will see you guys next time. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. Love you guys. Bye.